The question you should be asking is, what will they say? You've probably heard that overused imaginary story between the CEO and the CFO when they talk about training, right? And the CEO says, we should invest in our people. And the CFO says, well, what if they leave? And the CEO says, well, what if they stay? It's a great story. But here's the real world story. Your people are going to leave. The Bureau of Labor Statistics now show that most new entrants to the workforce, you've got 4 years. The question you should be asking is, what will they say when they leave? Because they are your biggest source of HR talent marketing. Will you send a better person out into the world, or will you just make them a little more technically efficient at a job that may not be right for them? I believe that when we reimagine this performance agreement between the people and the organization, your business results will skyrocket.